back at Turkey Run State Park. Bubbles is on assignment. Look, I'm a simple man. I get a day off work, I go to Turkey Run. It's an incredible day outside. It is kind of cold though. I think the high today was something like 12 degrees. There was nobody in the parking lot, so I am here basically by myself. And today, we're going to go over to the Boulder Canyon via Trail 9. I want to go there because I have a feeling there's going to be a giant icicle where a waterfall normally is. It's been very cold and very wet, so this is perfect time for that. This is a turnoff to Trail 5. If I can't make this work, that's the other way to get to Boulder Canyon. I have a bad feeling we're going to see this trail again. This park is so amazing. Doesn't matter the season. Last year I was here on one of the coldest days of the year, and it didn't go great. I did get a nice video out of it.
I'll be alright. Like that. Ooh. That's how you do it, man.
I think normally if you're going to do one of these hikes, you probably want to wear some spikes. I chose not to do that because I don't like walking through the canyons with spikes. I'm afraid I'm going to damage the rocks. So I'm going to try this without that. I'm probably going to regret it. Oh boy, I forgot about this part. Man, if I have to go back down this... Woof. And when you see the stairway, you know you're at the end of this canyon. But we ain't done yet. Here we go. When you look out in the distance, you can see Sugar Creek. Well, that's a heck of a fall off. I forgot about this part. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm here. Might as well give it a try.
Head could turn with steps so slick, but my feet ain't doing its best trick. I waddle like a penguin, lost in thought, falling like a fish that the sea kicked out. How did it drop? Go ahead and let yourself out. Walk like a penguin, fall like a fish. Life is not always the way I wish. Step and slip, hit the ground. I'm so glad no one else is around. Oh, oh.
I'm holding on for dear life right now on this tree root because my feet just can't find grip. I gotta reassess. I have a feeling my reassessment's gonna involve getting out of here. So I've made the executive decision. I'm gonna turn around here and get to the Boulder Canyon from Trail 5. It's gonna be quite a bit of backtracking, but this is what I was afraid of. I didn't think that was going to be easy, but there's no footing there whatsoever. That's a good 20-foot fall, so I'm just going to pass on that, go back, navigate that canyon again, which wasn't easy either. So let's head back. I'm not giving up on today yet.
Flap my arms for some kind of grace, but gravity calls to embrace. Stumble and fumble, life's little dope, laughing all the way, my kind of cope.
Well, I'd say that was less than successful. I now find myself with 1 foot on one rock over here, another foot over here. That's my next destination. Well, good news is at this point I'm probably not going to die unless I go, oh boy. Yeah, I'm probably not going to die. Problem is, I thought I'd have a foot right there and I don't. Yeah, if someone told me right now, they would be laughing so hard. Like, why on earth did you put yourself in this spot? Alright. I think I almost have it. Woo! Problem is I have no foot for my right foot. I caught it. There we go. All that, and I caught right here. This is what I just about to put down. Oh, yeah, fun. All right, you can see my hand, my stick. Put that there. All right, I think I, oh, nope. Now I go down. There we go. Perfect. That was easy. Hey, that was my food print from before. It's all frozen already. Great. Oh my golly. Walk like a penguin. Oh, like a fish. Ah. Ouch. So remember when I said I thought I'd end up going up Trail 5? So here we go. I'm going to get to that Boulder Canyon. I'm going to do it coming the other way. Yeah. No. Ooh, these stuff are icy. Note to self. They had a new trail. Trail 12. I'm going to have to check this out. Not today. This is why they call it Boulder Canyon. Even on a non-icy day, that's a gnarly way to get over there. One step at a time. Feet just got a little wet. That's not fun. Sometimes you got to get wet, but not when it's this cold. Okay, this is awesome. And it is frozen solid. In case you're worried. Just gonna penguin slide my way across this. Oh wow. Look at that. Oh yeah. That is awesome. Whoa. Ow. Oh man. So I went down right here. I thought that was going to be stiffer than it is. I was fine, except I tried to catch myself with my hand and I just bent my wrist back. That's better now. Oh man, Nick, don't laugh at me. Yes, we're in the Boulder Canyon. Okay, now I can admire this again. Wow, Zowie. Question is, how do I get closer to it? Okay, yeah, I'm on good footing now. Look at that. That is incredible. I'll be lucky if I don't fall 3 more times here. This is just unbelievably icy. Oh, it's so beautiful out here. Unfortunately, the sun is going down very fast, and I'm guessing I have a good 35-minute walk back to the suspension bridge. So I'm not going to make sunset, but I know where I'm at. I'm very safe. And realistically, that hike back is pretty easy compared to what I did earlier. There might be 1 or 2 moves up this canyon, Boulder Canyon thing. So just keep in mind, if you ever do within these hikes, just pay attention when the sunset is. Make sure that you don't get caught in a place where you don't belong. This place technically closes at dark. I'll make it before it gets pitch dark. Not by much. I'm kind of a little closer than you should. But I'll be safe. I'm going to go up these boulders. I'm going to go up the same way I came because it was relatively easy. I have one hand on the boulder at all times when I'm climbing. 3 points of contact, baby. That's what they say. 3 points of contact. There's the steps. That legit really was easy. Last look at Boulder Canyon. Got to the bench. Now it's time to head home. It's getting a little dark. It's beautiful outside. Just a little bit chilly. I think it's right now about 9. So my phone said. That's fine. 9 is fine.
I'm back at the suspension bridge, just enjoying the sunset. It's absolutely amazing. Till the next video, make it a great one. It's your choice.